We've released HomeManage 2024 recently, and we've had a few questions about the new attachments feature, asset attachments feature. So I'm going to try and answer some of the questions in this video. So I have an asset selected, a mouse, Logitech MX Master mouse, and I have one sample attachment here. If I hover over the attachment link, you can see at the bottom on the status bar, you can see the exact path name to that file. And I can also look at it by double clicking on the asset and clicking on attachments, and you can see here this is the complete path name to the file. So previously, before HomeManage 2024, this is how attachments were stored. We just stored a string, which is the complete path name to the file. Now that works if you're just using HomeManage on this computer, but what happens if this computer starts failing and you need to buy a new one, or you want to use it on a laptop or whatever? You're going to have to, after you've moved the data file to the new computer, you're going to have a file. The attachment file has to be in this exact path location for HomeManage to recognize it, and that's a problem. So we've introduced this new attachments feature. And so if I select File, go to Attachments folder, basically the way it works is this: any file in this folder is going to be included in backup. So if you back up the database, these 4 files will be included in the backup, and if you then move the backup to a new computer and restore it, these files will be copied to the attachments folder on the new computer. Now people have asked, well, how can I convert my old attachments to the new ones? We're going to have a new feature that converts old attachments from the long path name to move them into the attachments folder, but that's going to take another couple weeks. There's some problems with that. For example, if you have 2 separate receipts, for example, with the exact same file name, that's going to cause a problem. But anyway, so I have these files in the attachment folder, and let's say I want to attach the MX Master receipt to this asset I have right now. There's various ways of doing it. I can just drag it in. One way is just drag it into the detail view, but I'll do it the hard way, which is to double click on the asset, click attachments, click add, this little 3 dots here, which will open up the attachments folder. Now you don't have to select from this folder. You can still do it the old-fashioned way and go, for example, if you have a folder full of receipts under documents, you can go ahead and click there. The back arrow will bring you back to the attachments folder. So I'm going to select this one, click open, click OK, and you can see now it just stores the file name because it now knows, it sets a flag in the database saying this is an attachment file that is in the attachments folder. And when I do a backup, let me do a backup real quick. File, backup database. Then go to File, Manage Backup Files, which shows me all the backup files. Sort by most recent. If I double click on this, you'll see that now the backup includes an attachments.zip, a nested zip file, and in there you have the attachment files. So if I move this backup file to another computer and restore it, these 4 files will be put in the folder and everything will be great. You don't have to worry about having the attachments in the same path name as you did previously. So anyway, hopefully that clears up some questions. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.